So it's planting day. I'm really stressed out. The kids want to help. I don't know what we're doing. Finally getting some rain. Hopefully this isn't the most pretty these are this season. I'll show you our water catchment. That came at the house. My mom came to help, so that's good, and then we'll see how much we can get done today. My hand put me pretty behind. It's healing now. Anyway, I love taking care of a garden, but I really don't like the planting and the putting in of the seeds and all. So we better get started. We're gonna stake all these down now. We're gonna put the tomatoes there. And the potatoes here is the new thing. Try. And those are mostly flowers and things that need to go in the fenced area. We're not ready with that yet. It is a pretty cool day. It's going decent. And we're just taking a water sunscreen break. I think the best thing to do would have been to have the kids go somewhere for the day. It is extremely frustrating. We are getting quite a bit done, but it's just like, oh my gosh. Godzilla in the garden. Guys, don't step on any holes on anything. It's gonna be plants. Alright, so we got quite a bit done. That was a big job for one day. We're calling it quits about 4 o'clock. We got sweet potatoes. I got the landscape fabric in the ground. Our sweet potatoes, I started them early April, but they still only had one shoot on them. So my mom bought like 6, what ended up 9 plants that we put in the ground, and then kind of worked out perfect. We had exact holes for potatoes and tomatoes, and then I did a little research to see which plants I should put on the inside of the fence and the outside of the fence for rabbits and deer. So hopefully that'll be in our favor, but I guess time will tell. I don't know if you have any tricks about keeping mammals out of your garden. I did run out of landscape staples, but we had rocks. Anyway, this is a big garden. I'm hoping I can be more organized. I gotta go in and make a smoothie now for everybody. Hi, I filmed like a little voiceover, and I was so worn out and discouraged and frustrated, so it was pretty miserable to listen to. So anyways, we've had a few hours rest, and I'm making dinner, and Kevin and the kids are putting Irish Spring soap out to deter deer and rabbits, so hopefully that works. I don't know, it's just a challenge gardening with a bunch of kids. You gotta have a lot of interruptions going to check on somebody. I had a fenced yard in the other house, so that made it a lot easier. And when people take naps, that makes it easier too. But anyway, so we had some challenges today. I'm sure you guys have your set of challenges, probably maybe the same or different. I guess the next farm update is you'll see whatever else we get finished because we still have a little bit left here. Until next time, we'll see you later.